send the offers to all the customers I have in this spreadsheet. And you can see on my WhatsApp, I don't have any message right now. But when I'm just going to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all the customers at once. Yes, in just a single click. So let me show you. When I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, you're going to see, yes, an automated WhatsApp message is sent to all the customers, to smart user, dummy user, demo user, new customer, and to each one whose detail I had in my spreadsheet. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And the best part is that you can try this for free today. You can see the last name was Priya customer over here, and the last message is also for Priya customer. So let's see how to set this up. So to create this automation, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So first try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can use this discount coupon code, which is RITYT, to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. We have received the webhook URL, so just copy it and open your Google Sheets. Now you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and select it. As you can see that I have already installed this extension. You have to install it directly from here. Once you install this extension, you have to make sure that you refresh your spreadsheet. Otherwise, you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks right over here in your extensions tab. Once you see the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks in the extensions tab, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then towards this initial setup. Now it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is D because I want to send 4 details. If you want to send 3 details or 2 details, your trigger column will be according that. And then you have to click on this submit and you're going to see it is saying setup configured successfully. But now when it's just going to check in your workflow, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So the connection is made, but it is still waiting for the webhook response. So now in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to click on this button which says send test, and it is saying test data sent successfully. So it has sent this first row towards our workflow. So let's just open our workflow, and yes, you're going to see that Pabbly has also captured the response for the same. So now let's just move on further, and we're going to send an automated WhatsApp message using same details. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. So I use Pabbly Chat Flow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. You can use any another application too like AI Sensi, Vati. Pabbly supports most of them. Now you just have to select Pabbly Chat Flow. For the event, select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created this connection, you can click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just go on your Pabbly Chat Flow account. Once you come on the Pabbly Chat Flow account, first of all, it is going to take you to the accounts of Pabbly. Go on this Pabbly Chat Flow and click on this access now. Now once you open the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow, make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chat Flow. If not, over here's a tutorial. You can refer to this and add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this settings and then you have to go on this API and webhooks. Over, we're going to see the API token. So you just have to copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this API token, click on this save and your Pabbly Chartflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already built this connection, so I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. And yes, my Pabbly Chartflow account is connected over here. Now it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So first of all, you have to make sure that you enter the WhatsApp mobile number only over here. And we have to enter these details not manually but by mapping it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping makes the text dynamic. Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So that's the reason we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time too. And now it is asking me for the WhatsApp message, so I'm just going to paste the WhatsApp message over here. In this WhatsApp message also, first of all, I'm just going to correct the formatting, and after that what we're going to do is we're just going to map the name of our customer so that they can receive a personalized message every time. So I'm just going to map the name, first name, then put a space, then last name. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to make some text bold, and in order to bold some text we just have to add the stars in the front and in the end of the text which we want to bold. So let's just bold this line right over here. I'm also going to add a star over here because I want to bold this line too. Now you're going to see we have completed this WhatsApp message. Now it is asking me for many another details, but all of these details are not required. You can leave it as blank or you can move on further and enter this too. It totally depends upon you. For the keys, you just have to switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is written right over here and click on this save and send test request. But before you click on this save and send test request, just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that you can see the automated WhatsApp message received and the response received. So over here, if you're using a real phone number, you don't have to replace this. You just have to map it and click on this save and send test request. I was using a dummy phone number, so I replaced the number. Now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this WhatsApp message. So let's just open our WhatsApp, and this message is sent successfully. Special offer for smart user. This is a personalized WhatsApp message, and yes, like this you can send bulk messages. How can we send it to multiple customers at once? So for that you have to open your sheets, go in this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on the send all data. Once you click on the send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and automated WhatsApp message like this will be sent to all of them one by one. And yes, this is possible and you can try it for free today. Apart from this, if you want that whenever you add the new details the message should be sent towards them too, then you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So go and try this amazing automation yourself and send bulk WhatsApp offers and get instant sales without any manual intervention. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For the reference, I've attached the workflow URL in the description box below. Also, don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached there. Apart from that, if you like the video, do hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, just subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.